in today's video, we're going to be showing you how to make refrigerator cookies. That's what our family calls them, but in the recipe book it says uncooked chocolate drops, but like same difference. Yeah. So the point is that you're not cooking, you're not like actually baking the cookies. They do their stuff in the fridge. Yeah. But without further ado, let's get into the video. We'll read the ingredients out here. First, you're gonna need 2 cups of sugar, regular sugar. Then you need half a cup of margarine. I'm sure butter would do the same thing. Yeah, this calls for margarine. Then 1/4 cup of cocoa. Seems like a lot, but like for chocolate, yeah. Then I need half a cup of milk. I'm sure any of your milk substitutes would do the same thing, but this is just 2%. Teaspoon of vanilla, which we don't actually have, but internet says good substitute is maple syrup. This is butter flavor. So we'll let you know if it makes a difference. Haven't had these in a while, so maybe not. But it's not much, so it won't really do much. And then 3 cups of oatmeal. These are quick oats. I'm not sure what the difference is. But this is great for baking. Great for baking. So yeah, we'll get started. So it says cook first 4 ingredients to a rolling boil for half a minute and remove it from heat. So we'll start there. And we'll put the milk in first because you don't want to burn sugar. So you don't want to burn anything. No, but you really don't want to burn sugar. Half a cup of milk. Hopefully you can see what we're doing. Liquid measuring cup milk. While you're doing that, I'll get the sugar ready. So yeah, half a cup really is not a lot. It's 2 cups about this much. So I'll put it in. Should I put it in? Yes. Okay, I'll put it in. Okay, I need to do this in smaller measurements. So we're gonna do 4 half cups. We need like a wooden spoon. Margarine's over here. Might need a spoon. I'll do that. Just quarantine things. Trying recipes. Hopefully we're not wasting any of this. But yeah, it's looking pretty average. Milky, sugar. Not much else to say. Okay. Margarine's half a cup. Splash. Okay, that's what we're gonna get. And then a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. You know, maybe this one would do better. It smells good. The cocoa, not the... Oh, well, I got it all over the counter, but that's fine. How did it start in the boil or what this? Okay. Yeah, it didn't... Yeah, that seems fine. So half a minute if you want to put it... Well, I guess it needs to start boiling. Yeah. Stir in, stir in, stir in. Please. It smells good. It smells like butter and cocoa for the most part. Okay, it's stirring in. Not quite everything. Remove the heat. That's a rolling boil. Can you set a timer for 30 seconds? 30 seconds. It's a rolling boil. It's a little bit scary. It looks good, just so aggressive. We'll show you what it looks like. You can see. Yeah. Okay, so it says remove from heat. Put it on the back burner. Then add vanilla. Or in our case, it's maple syrup. Just a teaspoon. It's okay, you're Canadian when. I'm just doing it over this. That's scary, that's cool. That's probably fun. Okay. Are you still eating, baby? Okay, so that's our maple syrup and stir. It says mix well. Drop by spoon on cookie sheet and refrigerate. Mix well. That looks really, really dark. Oh, add oatmeal. Stir, add oatmeal, mix well. Okay, so 3 cups of oatmeal. Get a cookie sheet. Just do it by spoonful. I'm just gonna do a spoon. Scrape off the spoon. This is unlike cookie dough. You can use your hands in cookie dough. Would not recommend on this just because it's warm. It's also edible because you're not putting like eggs in it, so like we'll be back when we're all configured here. We just had a calculus Zoom meeting, so we did that and put these in the fridge. You didn't see that, but it took about an hour, and they're like a good consistency. Like you're not gonna puzzle sticky when you're in, but didn't mean to zoom that up or cold. So yeah, we're gonna eat. Oh, might not have been quite there, but close enough. What? It's good. Exactly how I remember it. It's really easy to do when it's cold cookie, so it's a good summer treat. Yeah, and I'll probably like be eating one of these during our next Zoom meeting, because that's in less than an hour. Ah. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, click here to subscribe, click here to watch more of our food videos. Leave a comment down below telling us what other things we could make, perhaps quarantine baking ideas. Yeah, but we'll see you in the next video.